Hey, what's going on? I'm just here to talk about what's been going on the past couple weeks and how it shows how hard trading actually is. And last time I posted a video, I was talking about in it how I felt like I just needed to change one more thing because I felt like I was break even or maybe a slightly profitable, but it was so slow when I literally had a Apex account for like 75 days and I had taken one payout in it just because I was just up and down, up and down, up and down, and I think I just cut a good win streak and it got me my payout, but more break even than profitable. And so I was going through some stuff and just looking at what I wanted to change. I didn't want to change much because I liked my strategy, my discipline was good in it, all my stuff was in it. I just needed to tweak some stuff. I felt like, and that's what I ended up doing. I added in a little bit and I tweaked my risk management rules a tiny bit of just I was trying to be more dynamic. I think before I was trying to set rules that were mechanical and it didn't matter what trade it was that I stuck to these rules for what my take profit was, what my stop loss was. And I think that's just too hard to do because the market is so dynamic and never static that your static risk management approach to it just doesn't work out. Or, I mean, it did not work out. Or, yeah, I guess it didn't work out. But yeah, it just wasn't working for me. I couldn't string together a bunch of green days in a row, or I couldn't really break out of the up and down, up and down, up and down, break even. So, yeah, I added something, and the slightest a couple tweaks of like my entries, trying to get them a little bit better because I felt like I was getting in a little too late, and I was waiting for confirmation, and then I was waiting for too much confirmation, and I was just missing out, or I'd get in too high, and then it would pull back, and I'm like, well, if I got in where I originally thought, then I would have gotten my 80 ticks that I was looking for, or whatever I'm looking for, and yeah, so I changed some stuff around, little tweaks, the tiniest tweaks, and that was on this day here. So my account was one day away from being blown. And as you can see, I've taken like 11, or no, I've taken 13 trades, or a little bit more, but I'm not counting the break even ones. I've taken 13 trades and I've won my 11 of 13 since I implemented the thing, which who knows, I'll probably get fucking humbled next week and it'll be fucking, that was all just luck, but as of now, I am feeling pretty good about it. But yeah, it's just also I've been starting to look at like the since I trade the Nasdaq, I've been starting to look at the ES a little bit and trying to look at like the big movers for the Nasdaq. I was just in like Nvidia and Apple really are the only ones. So I'm trying to like just add some confirmations to it, so maybe it misses me out of like I don't get into some trades that I normally would have got into before because I needed to either have more winners, like take more trades and have more winners. It can only take about 1 to 2 trades a day. So I either needed to have more winners or cancel out the losers. So I'm trying to do both, obviously, but yeah. So my idea was using those, and then sometimes like the ES isn't looking good because, or like the Nasdaq doesn't look good because the ES is pulling back and the Nasdaq is making new highs, and it just doesn't give me the confidence to enter the Nasdaq on a pullback because I'm a trend trader and I'm just looking for breakouts. So that just kind of deflects and helps me out a little bit on not taking trades. And yeah, it's just I literally have started and God, it feels good just to fucking be on a win streak or just winning. And like I've lost a little bit. Like I said, like 2 trades or whatever, and those 2 trades I haven't been since I said I was changing my dynamic, like my risk dynamic, or making my risk dynamic. I lost 2 trades, and neither of the or both of them combined didn't even combine for 1 R of loss. And granted, all my wins haven't been 1 R, but I've had, let me see, out of those 11 wins that I've had out of the 13 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them have been 1 R trades, and then some of them were like it pushes up, and I've just seen it happen so many times where it pushes up and pulls back, and uh, I never make a profit on it. It just goes like break even. So I'm more quick to cut things now, but that also goes for my losers. I'm cutting my losers quicker too, and I think it just comes with like the experience of watching the charts every day for the past year and a half or whatever. That like you do need to grow some sort of intuition, which is why like people are like, oh, it takes fucking 1, 2, 3 years to get profitable, because even if you have the strategy, you need to be able to use it and all this crap, and you need to be able to recognize price action and yeah, all that crap. So, but it just shows how difficult trading is, because the same approach, same strategy, just the slightest tweaks, adding a couple things here and there, and the difference is made. And this doesn't even cover my Friday's trade where I passed this account because I made another $800. But it just shows how tweaking the smallest, like every little thing you tweak can have such a huge impact on your actual trading. It's just crazy to see. Like you can sit there and do everything wrong and you'll definitely lose money. You can sit there and do what feels like everything right and still lose money. Like it needs to be like your strategy needs to be perfect. You need the discipline to be perfect. You need everything to be perfect. Like there's a million ways to lose money and friggin' one right way to make money. I mean, I know there's not one way because everybody's strategy is different, but in order for you to find your strategy to perfect it, God, it takes so much. It's got to be so precise and so perfect for you. It's just crazy. And yeah, that's just. I mean, it's been a good past 3-4 weeks or whatever, and ever since I changed it, literally the absolute bottom, I changed it, and I've had basically green day every day. I think that was like a break even, just like spread, and then lost $100 there. That's what I'm saying. Like my risk is $400. So like took one trade, lost $100 in because I cut it short, and then it's just like, what is that? That's like $1,000 in a day. And I did up my size like here, I think, to 2 contracts because I'm like, all right, if I'm ever gonna get this account passed, because I started so low because I literally was never green in the account. I got it, lost, got it like back up to it, and then just went all the way down to literally one trade away. And I'm like, all right, if I'm ever gonna pass these accounts, I gotta put on some more size because it's just going to take forever, and then I'm okay blowing it if that's the case. But I did the same thing for my funded futures. I started trading those. I just went right to 3 contracts, and then I just try to get like 3R in trades, and everything's been working out nice. I don't have my funded futures pulled up, but I have my Apex pulled up, and I'm 9 days in on these ones, and I'm up $1,800, and yeah, shooting for, I don't know, try to get to like 53,000 or something like that. So I can take, even if I can just take like $500 payouts. I know they changed their rules a little bit, so it's you can't like take out as much, which is fine with because I like the idea of growing the accounts. So I'm not just trying to get to the profit or the threshold I need and then take it all out and blow the account. So yeah, I don't mind that, but. Yeah, everything's just been going good. In my funded futures, I passed all the ones I bought for that, and so next week I'm trading 10 funded accounts, 4 with Take Profit Trader, 3 with Apex, and 3 with my funded futures. And my Take Profit Traders are all going to be on the first day of their like Pro Plus account or whatever the fuck it is, and I have like one of my funded futures ones. I already have like 2 green days out of 5 in, and the other ones I just passed them on Friday, so those will be brand new. And then these Apex ones, I mean, I could be looking at a payout next week if I make like 2 or 3R, which I have every week for the past like 3 weeks since I started doing this, and I know I'm due to lose. I know how that works, but I mean everything's just. Is flowing good right now, and I really think, because I did say last time, I was like, man, I just feel like I need to change one more thing or add something or get rid of something just to make me win more or lose less. And I feel like I have added that, and implemented a little bit of new stuff, and I really think that has helped me. And I mean, it feels good right now, but I mean, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, I'll be making a payout video soon and something. Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funny Futures. I hope Take Profit Trader. That seems like the most exciting one. If you actually get past like the $52,000 buffer and can start taking out every day. But yeah, it's just exciting, and I feel like stuff is not clicking more, but just like what I've added is working, and it's making me feel better. So that's about it. I just wanted to tell you about what was going on and how stuff's been going the past couple weeks, and yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.